2023 Toyota Crown, surprise, a replacement for the Avalon. Unveiled in its world premiere today, the Toyota Crown will go on sale in Canada this fall, exactly 50 years after one of its ancestors left the North American market. The name has been around since the 1955 Toyopet Crown and has birthed 15 generations over the years. This reinterpretation of the Japanese classic takes the form of a sedan with a bold design and a raised profile, better able to compete with the many utilities on the market. Although the company does not yet specify its cargo volume, the Crown shares its TNGA-K platform with other Toyota sedans and crossovers. It includes standard all-wheel drive, electronic and not mechanical, as well as a new suspension with multiple arms at the rear, all anchored by 19 or 21-inch wheels depending on the version. Choice of two hybrid engines. The XLE and limited versions of the 2023 Toyota Crown employ a hybrid system consisting of a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with two electric motors and a continuously variable transmission. Combined output is 236 horsepower and torque distribution can vary from 100 to 0 to 20 to 80 between the front and rear wheels. Toyota claims an average consumption of only 6.2 L, 100 kilometers. For its part, the Platinum version with Max hybrid system relies on a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, whose maximum torque comes from 2,000 to 3,000 revolutions per minute, also teamed with two electric motors. Power rises to 340 horsepower, while the more sophisticated all-wheel drive varies the front-to-rear split from 70 to 30 to 20 to 80. As for fuel consumption, the target is set at 8.4 L, 100 kilometers. In addition to the EV, Eco, Normal and Sport driving modes, there are Sport Plus, Comfort and Custom modes, the latter allowing us to adjust the various settings to our liking. In addition, the Crown Platinum is the only one that benefits from a 6-speed automatic transmission and a standard adaptive variable suspension promoting better road handling. Style unique. It's hard to categorize the 2023 Toyota Crown because it's unlike anything else on the market. We are certainly very far from the defunct Avalon. The exterior is designed to be sporty and aerodynamic at the same time, with contrasting elements on the bodywork and a long, flowing roof. The more generous ground clearance facilitates access on board and enhances the driving position. At the rear, the taillights are a thin, continuous line and the exhaust tips are well concealed. Note also that the Platinum version, in red in the images, stands out not only by its oversized wheels but also by its black treatment at both ends, which gives it more character. Quiet and trendy interior. The interior of the 2023 Toyota Crown stands out just as much for its decor and soundproofing, 2 points on which Toyota designers have focused a lot in order to maximize comfort. All trims include heated 8-way power front seats, 12.3-inch digital instrumentation and the same size touchscreen center display. Toyota's new multimedia system is of course there, including a voice assistant, cloud navigation, remote updates and several connected services. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration is wireless. The Limited and Platinum replace the synthetic leather with real leather, then add a panoramic roof, LED ambient lighting as well as ventilated front and heated rear seats. Finally, know that the Crown has the manufacturer's most advanced series of driving aids, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, and that an assisted parking system is available, supporting perpendicular and parallel maneuvers. Pricing for the 2023 Toyota Crown will be announced closer to its arrival in dealerships this fall.